everyone, this is Rain. Happy Independence Day, Philippines!
We're going out to the island hopping.
Okay.
First time in Boracay.
Very good.
Yo, what's up? We're gonna go island hopping today, and today I'm gonna film the whole video on the GoPro. Not the GoPro 7, the new one, not the even older one, the 6, but the 5. Let's go. Ready to go on a boat, sir? Here's our boat, Sheena May. Here is the captain of our ship. Yay! Welcome. Welcome.
Welcome to island hopping. Go to island hopping.
The nice thing is, if you get a private boat, you just leave. You don't have to wait for everybody else. You're on your own terms, you know? Everyone's on the boat, everyone leaves. A boat like this, they gotta wait for everybody. There's always that one person that's late. Like Harris. Are you gonna feed Dory?
Yeah, Dory's there.
Yeah, feed Dory, feed Dory.
I need to feed Dory. Feed Dory, okay?
Ice cream delivered from the boat.
Ayan, 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 ayan.
Ice cream, 20 pesos. Cheers. Cheers. How's the ice cream? Two ice cream.
Oh, she's the first one who got 2.
So over here to rent a boat costs 4,500 pesos, and you get the whole boat for 4 hours. There's a lot of tours that have a whole bunch of people on the boat all together. That's not really the way to do it. Just rent your own boat and have your own freaking itinerary, you know? There's all these other boats. This is what we wanted. Jasmine! On to the next island. Yes. Right here, this is Puka Beach, and we're gonna have lunch here.
Welcome to Puka Beach.
Mommy, may 50 ka? 50.
What is that?
Koreano na.
We love Boracay.
Hindi, doon kasi.
Except for that hole right there. Shortcut.
Yeah, how many chicks now?
Right here, these are all sailboats. We're gonna try to catch the sailboat at 5:45 so we get that sunset.
Bite me.
What is that? A crab?
Yes.
Can you go on the boat, Jacob?
Yeah, I should put on.
About to go sailing. Ready on the right. Say is if you come to Boracay, you gotta ride the sailboat. That's the #1 thing. Forget island hopping, forget like all the other stuff. That's the #1 thing.